Learn affiliate marketing strategies to increase your profit. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to find the right niche. In order to find the right niche and be successful at it, you must educate yourself on what the latest market trends are. This video contains a number of great tips on how to spot areas of a niche market that could be highly successful. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you will find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. Focus on high-margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high-value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. As was discussed in the beginning of this video, understanding what the latest hot market trends are is what determines how much success you will have. If you know the right niche market and get in before saturation occurs, you will be rewarded. Apply the advice from this video and you'll save yourself a lot of time when trying to decide what it is you would like to sell. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.